Happy New Year, everyone. As the start of this new year is just kicking off, it's caused me to reflect a little bit on all of the projects that we worked on together last year. So before we dip our brushes into some brand new tutorial adventures, let's take a quick stroll through the painting moments we've had through this past year. And hopefully we'll have many, many more in the upcoming weeks. So if you see anything that sparks your interest today, I hope you'll sit down and give them a try.